All right, just a little bit more, and we're going to talk about how to tell if something is a one-to-one function. And if it's a one-to-one function, it has an inverse just by looking at it. All right. In order to have an inverse, the function must be a one-to-one. All right. That means every input has an output. If we want to determine if it has an inverse by looking at its graph, all we have to do is the horizontal line test. So we have two line tests. The vertical line test tells if it's a function, and the horizontal line test tells if the inverse is a function. So it doesn't pass. Look, it touches more than once. Right there and right there. So this is a many to one function. I would say must limit domain to have inverse. Here's how you limit your domain, and that's what it is down here. What you want to do is you want to stop, you want to limit the domain so it won't touch more than once as you go this way. So if I do this, if I take everything off of here, it will never touch more than once right here. So I'm going to say new domain. Domain would have to be 0 to infinity, right? Because then it would pass the horizontal line test. Alright, it's only touching once. This guy right here, look, it already passes the horizontal line test. This is a one-to-one function. If it fails the horizontal line test, it isn't, and it's a many-to-one. This guy right here, look, oh, fails right there, doesn't it? Alright. Many to one function. Let's give it a domain that works. And there's a lot of domains that'll work. I mean, I could go from here to here, I could go from here to here, I could go from here to here, but let's do this first one right here. We're going to go from -1 to 1, and that'll limit the domain so it's a many to one function. Right, it would take these guys off, and at that point it is now a one-to-one function, no longer many to one. This guy right here, look, fails the horizontal line test right there, touches twice, so it's many to one function, and we'd have to limit the domain. So let's go up to the top right here, and we're going to limit the domain from here to here. Could be either way, right? But we're going to limit the domain. New domain, we'd have to limit from 0 to 2. And that's it. We'll talk about the rest when we get there, and you have an awesome day.